traders, thank you so much for joining us in today's live stream, which will be the last live stream of this month. Why I say that is because yes, tomorrow we will be live streaming also. But today is the 31st, guys. For those that maybe you guys never wasn't aware of it, right? Today is the last day of July. So for a short moment, thank you so much, July. Okay, I hope July was amazing for every single one of you. And of course, like right, every year we only can get to experience a certain month once. Right? So we have to learn to appreciate everything that we actually have currently like, as of now. Because even what I said just now, a few seconds ago, that just passed, right? I can never get that back, no matter what. Yes, in the video will be here, but I cannot get it back. So you gotta just be very grateful with whatever we have as of now. That is where true success and true growth will come to you guys. I guarantee that. So, guys, thank you so much for joining the live stream today. My name is Guna. So, I've been training for almost 4 years now. And what I do on my live streams, especially on my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much free information pertaining to price action, especially trades that I am focusing on to take on the day. All right. So we will jump right into today's session because, guys, I apologize on in advance. I want to say on behalf of myself. I apologize in advance. Today's live stream won't be that long because I just went to do acupuncture. So because I do have some spine long-term injuries a long time ago because I used to go for gym competition. And usually after I do these treatments, right, I cannot really sit on this type of chairs. So it will be a bit painful, okay, especially if I sit on it for quite a certain amount of time. So today's live stream won't be as long, but I will get right into the updates of the trades that we spoke about yesterday, what happened, and what are the trades that I'm potentially looking to potentially enter today, if there are any lah. Okay, so if that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax, let's get into the charts. So first off, I want to update you guys about Solana. So remember this number 171.27, which was the equal low that we were able to identify here. Yeah. So this target, guys, for who if you guys entered sell for Solana, congratulations to you. Okay. It did went to the TP area. Guess what? I didn't enter Solana. I entered ETH and I lost yesterday. I'll show you guys. Wait, I will show you guys. I was like, oh my god! I literally said in the because I replay the live stream, I was like, wait, I did speak about Solana, isn't it? Yeah. So then I also mentioned in the live stream yesterday, Solana had a stronger, how to say, liquidity level because we find equal lows. But your boy, he go and enter ETH. Is the one. I never update yet. Later I will be posting this lah. You guys can stay tuned on my Instagram page. I update all the trades that I take. Yeah, so this one was a loss yesterday. 67.81, not that bad. Okay. My average, so I like to get at least close to 100 percent ROI. Lah. At least I try my best. So 60 plus is still within my risk to reward range lah, personally lah. So I'm okay with the loss. I just feel funny that we spoke about this equal low yesterday, but I chose to enter for ETH. Not to say ETH didn't go low. It did. It did went to a certain point, but this is not a specific target. So my specific targets were these levels here. Okay, this one was taken out lah. Okay, this one was taken out. Yes, but these targets were not. My specific targets was here. Okay, so we did go down, but not to that area lah. If I entered for Solana, definitely I would have aimed for the equal low, especially like what we did for which pairing ETH, right? I think it was ETH. Yes, we did for ETH on Monday, right? This one, yeah, it came into equal low. Yeah, this is the one. Nevertheless, guys, Dogecoin potentially we may be seeing a opportunity lah arise lah. I'm not 100% sure yet because I'm not seeing what I want to see yet lah. As of now lah, okay, for Dogecoin, and I need to wait for quite a few more confirmation because this zone isn't that strong for me. But nevertheless, I am focusing on buys lah for Dogecoin, just not yet as of now. Probably right, I might see an entry opportunity within 10:30 or 11. This is I'm just sharing with you guys lah. Probably within this time, I might see an entry opportunity. But if not anything later than that, then I might just give up the trading option for Dogecoin, and then I will find another one for tomorrow lah. But that's just personally what I feel. I am focusing on buys, but I need to wait a bit more because this zone is not that strong or preferred lah for me as of now. Okay, ETH. Okay, this guy. Okay, we went down. Okay, now we starting to move higher lah. As you guys can see, we're starting to move higher. Okay, this one get removed now. This sales one was actually during this section here only. Remove this first. This section here, which we already captured. Okay, let me just remove all of this stuff, make it as clear as possible. Okay, so okay, this is the thing. So let me just check it out for you guys. Because I just got back from my acupuncture and I ate dinner just now, and then I straight away came to the charts. I did see the charts today, but I didn't really took my time into it lah because I was kind of like in pain today. So I was more focused on settling like my back issue. So everything I analyze right now will be just right on the point lah. So ETH, right now we are currently on the fence of either moving up or down, Okay, why I say that is because we do have a zone here. Let me draw it up for you guys. We do have a zone here. We also have a zone here. Let me show you. Yeah, this one here. We also have a zone here. Don't get fooled, guys, about the size. If any of you guys were wondering, right, hey, this zone is bigger, show more stronger. This one's smaller, so this is less strong. No such thing, huh? The size doesn't determine the power of a certain zone. Hello, sir. Hello, Durga. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Yeah. So the size does not determine the power of a zone. Remember this, huh? Okay. Please remember this is very important. I don't want you guys to accidentally enter just based on these kind of situations, huh? So we still have to wait and see which zone might be taken out by price lah. Okay, but as of now, all right, we do seem more towards leaning lah. Okay, we are leaning more towards the upside. Let me check multiple time frames a bit. Yeah, we do seem as if we are moving more towards the upside. Okay, H4 has a lot more beautiful price action movement lah, in my opinion. Okay, so based on H4, right? Wait, okay, based on H4, yeah, based on H4 is roughly here, guys. A lot more bigger the zone. Up again, zone bigger doesn't mean more power. Okay, don't think like that. Huh? Okay, the zone is bigger. That's it. It doesn't mean it's more power. No such thing. Okay, overall, based on H4, we seem as if we are moving towards the upside as of now. So it's a good thing, in my opinion, because Dogecoin I'm also kind of focusing as of now for primarily move towards the upside. My directional bias is towards the upside, but not yet. I'm still waiting for certain things to happen for Dogecoin. So it's nice to see ETH also kind of aligns with that certain form of bias lah. So what we do while I speak to you guys, right? Okay, about other pairs. Let's see. Here got a bullish family gap. Don't enter because of this, guys. Okay, this is not entry. I just want to throw it down to see only what price want to do. As traders, we are not only people who trade the market, but we are also viewers, like how we go and see the movie, right? We just adapt and look at the market. That's all. If the market gives us opportunity, then we enter. Okay, like yesterday Solana, which your boy missed out on. He enter ETH, then kena. It's okay. It's okay. That's how we learn. I was still happy lah regardless because it still went to a certain point that we predicted. So it's okay. Let's see today. Okay. So let's move on to forex pairs. Okay. So AUD right, guys, went below the zone. Okay, and right now we're currently sitting inside of this range lah. Okay, so again, personally, I still, my main goal is focusing on buys, but I do not think that buy opportunity will be coming this week, especially because today is already a Thursday. Okay, goal, what we predicted was that zone, initially I draw one zone here now. That zone memang got disrespected, okay, and it did go to the key level, especially these are the three liquidity levels that I analyzed last night after the live stream around I think 10 plus to 11 something. I analyze these liquidity levels and I want to see which one when price takes already is going to show me some form of reaction. Okay, so this one is not the one, obviously. This one is the one lah. Oh, sorry. I wanted to move the text away. This is the one lah, where price actually showed some form of reaction towards the upside. Okay. Does that mean that we can primarily be focusing on buys as of now? Personally, no, I do not see an opportunity for a buying model. Okay, this is just personally what I can see as of now. So I would recommend, okay, for us to actually wait a little bit more to at least get a little bit more bias, because we are still kind of moving towards the downside. Especially today, the news for USD, it came out good for USD lah. Okay, but of course, my main bias is still towards the upside. Of course, I just don't see a potential entry opportunity for gold as of now. That's it. Okay, guys, but later we will come back to gold. Let's just give it some time to load for a while. So ADSD is the same thing, guys. I was primarily, if you can see the zone, right? I did draw the zone here. The zone essentially I draw it today. Okay, today when I woke up. This is what I'm kind of analyzing. I want to see when price come back inside the zone, are we potentially going to see bulls start to kick in, and then we want to see a move towards the upside. So this is just personally like what I was anticipating and what I was looking for. As you can see, price did come back inside of the zone, which was perfect, but we are not really seeing bulls. We did see one bull candle, but one bull candle is not specifically what I'm looking for. I'm looking for other things which did happen, but did not show me the reaction that I want to see. You see, we are very, very aggressively still moving towards the downside. We did take certain forms of liquidity resting around here, now resting around this area, but we're still not showing any signs or interest to move towards the upside. Okay, let me just go back to Forex Factory. I remember 8:30 only got news today. Tomorrow only we have also at 10 o'clock. I remember, but not was it impactful? I forgot 10 o'clock was impactful or not. I remember we have news tomorrow, so 8:30. 8:30, I think we got news tomorrow. So yeah, today no more already. But the news came out good lah for USD so far, from what I can see. Not really all good, but considered good. Yeah, 10 o'clock we got impactful news so tomorrow. PMI and 8:30 also. Unemployment rate all tomorrow so we got. So let's see lah tomorrow. I try my best to live stream by 8:30 if can, or not means 9:30, because still got news at 10. So today no more news. There you can see it's still moving down. So this is something that telling me probably the zone is not going to hold. So I should still wait for a potential entry opportunity. Same will be applied for gold. Not because they move in a certain same direction of bias or anything, guys. Not that. It's just that, like I said, the thing that I see, even though market take this liquidity and then we start to react, right? This is not enough for me to go for a buying opportunity yet. Okay, we do have a certain zone if you want me to draw it up for you, right? This is the certain zone that we have. Okay, so you can see price they came inside. We did start to see bulls kick in. Okay, let me just check. Okay. Yeah, we do have these zones and all that are forming up. We also have another one here. We do have these forms of zones forming up, but they're not strong zones, So personally, I would not be entering as of now until I see a little bit more things occurring in the market. We could probably just be going all the way to this fair value gap here to fill it up, at least mitigate prior to making a move again towards the downside. But let's see, because if let's say I see opportunity for a sell model instead, probably I might take a short one first. But again, I have no interest to trade forex pairs as of now, because I feel crypto space is about to have a opportunity, guys, as of now for Dogecoin and potentially ETH also. That this is already mitigated, so we mitigated this fair value gap already. But I will update you guys now if I am about to enter any forex pairs or anything, right? Through my Instagram page. So if you guys would like to follow me there, I do have links in the description below. So you guys can actually find my Instagram page there now. Okay. So USD JPY, guys, look at this. Remember I spoke to you guys about the target 150.473. we, we are almost actually reaching the TP target already, guys. This which is amazing lah. Let me just check with from my side. I didn't enter no USD JPY. Yeah, I didn't enter USD JPY because if you can see right, I did draw the certain zones here, right? So this is not simply I draw. I was waiting specifically for price to at least after this level come back. I not even have to be within this zone, at least here. But it didn't give me that opportunity to enter. Hence, I didn't chase the market now. So nevertheless, for me, it is still a successful trading idea since we did analyze this liquidity area quite early on when price was resting within here, where we believe that this liquidity might be taken out and price is already heading there lah. Okay, so I don't have much of a prediction for USD JPY because I didn't search for my key levels anything above this range lah. So maybe after the light, no, not today. I need to rest today because I just did acupuncture. So maybe I will do it like while I sit down on the sofa. I also like to analyze on my iPad as well. Nevertheless, USD JPY guys, hold off first because I believe this liquidity range is the one that price is going to go to, lah, which is the one that we spoke about during our live stream. So that's amazing. AUD USD guys, nothing much yet. Lah. We are kind of slowing down. See, what am I seeing? What am I seeing? We are kind of slowing down. Okay, it's not enough for me to enter, of course, but at least it is something whereby it's telling me potentially we may start to see some form of opportunity arising in the markets as we speak. Gold, you can see lah. This is not beautiful lah. See, very big red candle, very big green candle. So basically, price is quite uncertain lah within this range. We have very powerful bulls, very powerful bears. But again, of course, you can see the bears are more longer and more powerful than bulls candle, but it doesn't mean bulls are not powerful. Okay, don't get this misunderstanding, especially about like fair value gaps. The bigger the candle means, the fair value gap is the most interested one. No such thing. Okay, even very tiny fair value gaps or so, market sometimes want to go and fill it up. When you do back testing, you guys will be actually be able to see these things. If I can find one right now, is right. Okay, like even like this one. This is actually one right here. You see, compared to this family gap, right, guys? Okay, compared to this one, this is a very small one as well. Right here, this is a family gap. You see, market still came inside to fill it up and then you go away. This is a very big family gap. See this one? It's a very big one. So market came to take them out. So even small one, you see, market came to take them out. It doesn't matter how big or how small, we have to really understand the how to say the institutional bias of where price really wants to move to, and how we can identify that is just by identifying the trend. I did teach you guys on my live stream also before. If you have troubles, okay, I had this trouble also, no, so I understand. Like reading this kind of candles all is a bit difficult for you to really know, no, which is the trend, because I always teach you guys is like this. Okay, this is downtrend, very easy to see, right? Okay, then vice versa, this is an uptrend. Okay, very easy to see. I know it's nothing like what we see here, of course, because I want to draw candles means a bit difficult now, guys. If I can make sure I will keep drawing candles, but you can use this. This is the line chart thing. I know, okay, like, oh, Guna, thanks, so helpful. I know it can also still be confusing, but just you can go bigger time frames. Try if you guys want to starting off trading. My advice to you: use H4. Okay, don't care. People are trading daily. Okay, don't care. Oh, every day they can earn this much, this much. Don't get captured by that. Remember, you have to find your own trader within yourself. Okay, you are extraordinarily amazing at trading. Just know this. You just haven't found that person yet, but you will. Okay, don't follow anybody's footsteps online. Okay, you just be you. Start off slow. It doesn't mean it will take you 10 years to reach there. Okay, if you know the correct path, okay, you find the correct person that can really guide you or anything, just follow on it. Confirm you can make it. So what my advice can be for you guys, okay, is essentially if you have troubles reading the candles, everything, you can use the line chart, but use H4. Okay, don't go H1. H1 also will start to see like this kind of things already. Go H4. You start with this, as a basic. Okay, you can start to see. Oh, we're moving up. Okay, you can mark it out. Oh, we're starting to move down. How you want to mark it out? Like this. You see, you can use the highlighter. Okay, you just mark out like this trend. All right. Then what you do? You go back to the actual charts. You go back to 1 hour. Okay, then you go back to zoom. Can you see? It's a lot easier to understand now, isn't it? Because the line chart already show you we are moving up. They're all the same thing now, guys. It's not different. If we put candles means it's a different chart. A line chart means a different chart. It's the same thing. Line chart is essentially there to help us understand things that is a bit difficult to know the trend. Because lines are a lot easier to read. That's it. Okay? Okay, so you can see gold is right now holding inside of this zone. Personally, like I said, I don't think I will be entering for gold today. Okay, I am primarily still my bias is towards the upside for sure, but I don't see any strong things happening lah as of now lah for gold personally. You see, it's starting to move down. So just be aware. Okay, just be very careful and aware of the market conditions as of now. You can see strong candles, so just be careful. You see, ADUSD also inside of the zone, but I'm not seeing any bulls really start to kick in the market. Okay, so what is it telling me? Probably we are going to be going inside of this next key level, which is resting below here. So of course now New York session open already. There might be an opportunity now if we want to move down or up, but I don't see one as of now. So let's just wait, and then there's this fight for tomorrow, guys. Okay, tomorrow sure there's an opportunity. Okay, we took it out already, guys. Congratulations. USD JPY. We took out the liquidity range that we actually spoke about, which is 150,473. This one. 150,473. Congrats, guys. If you guys entered this lah, I know I told you guys don't enter this. Okay, personally, I said didn't enter this one. But if anybody have entered USD JPY, okay, if you guys also saw this liquidity range and you guys aim for it, so congratulations to you. Okay, this is such an amazing move towards the upside. Let's see for Dogecoin before I end the live stream because I already feel something my back already vibrating. So I think it's a sign for me to go and rest right now. Okay, let me just wait, guys. Okay, ETH you can see this one already get mitigated already. The fair value gap here has been mitigated. Okay, I'm seeing also this range. Okay, almost lah, not yet lah, not yet, but almost. Overall priority is still showing that we're about to move towards the upside. That's what ETH is telling lah as of now. So if we are moving up, right, guys, liquidity ranges I aim for, of course, will be this one right here. I try to make it very precise for you. This one here, so 3941. Oh, this is actually a round number already. Okay, so that's nice. 3941. Wait, 3941. And then we also do have some form of liquidity levels here. 3941. Okay, 39. These are low resistance liquidity. We just take this one and then this one. We do have all of these liquidity levels here. I'm not so sure we will go straight to 4,000 or whatever today. I'm not 100% sure about that, but probably. Okay. So let's wait and see. Again, like I said, guys, it's not ready yet. Now only see New York session is starting open. You can see the green color, right? The green color is New York session. So now only starting to open. Let's just be patient a bit and then wait. Also Dogecoin, same thing. We are inside of this zone. We are respecting these certain key levels, which is resting as of here. If you guys want to know liquidity levels that I'm aiming for, definitely will be these highs here. Okay, will be these ones here, but this one is very close by lah. Okay, so probably I will just aim straight away for this one lah. Then these highs here, and then these highs here. Of course, we do have other fair value gaps as well, but this is the primary one as of now lah. Okay, that I will be focusing on. If we are starting to move up, same thing for Dogecoin, guys. We are just starting off New York session, so not yet. I cannot see anything happening as of now. We do have a fair value gap here. If you want me to draw it out, this is the fair value gap which we did fill out. But fair value gap alone isn't enough to enter a trading opportunity. Okay, we have to see a little bit more price action and really start to see that structure shift and the potential move towards the upside. Since we are focusing on buys, right? So we gotta wait a while and see lah for that. Okay, not yet. Like I said, probably 10:30 or 11-ish, we will start to see something happening. Okay, so you guys can watch the markets for that for potential entry opportunity. Okay, so guys, I better rest now, or later my wife will kill me because just only I did acupuncture. So I hope you guys have such a wonderful rest of the day. Remember, guys, trade safely. No more news for today. So after this, the market will flow smoothly. Okay, so if you guys want to enter trades, just really wait for your bias and also your trading structures all to play out. Then only choose to enter. Not means don't enter. Tomorrow we have another day. Okay? Take care, guys. Thank you all for joining the live stream. I appreciate every single one of you. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and give a like to this video, which will help me out greatly, which I truly appreciate. Okay? Take care, guys. Trade safely. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye. Goodbye.